Every CS student uses ChatGPT. These 5 tools do things ChatGPT cannot. VisuAlgo is completely free. It animates binary trees, Dijkstra, merge sort, and 26 more algorithms step by step. 2 million students use it for exam prep. GitHub Copilot autocompletes 40% of your code, free for students through the GitHub Education Pack. Paperpal is trained on 50 million academic papers. It catches language errors your grammar checker misses in IEEE and ACM submissions. Link is in the description below. Final Round AI coaches you through mock FAANG interviews in real time, live hints, system design feedback, and resume analysis. Link below. Emergent builds full-stack web apps from a plain English prompt. Perfect for capstone projects and your portfolio. Link is in the description. Subscribe for more tools like these.